Okay, so today's bone is a classical long bone of the lower limb, and that is femur. And on a very pleasant Sunday, we are trying to do the bone of femur. Femur is the thigh bone, the longest and the strongest bone of the entire body and the lower limb. Now, first of all, for every anatomical position and side determination, we have a few points, and we start with that. So you have this one, just like the humerus, you can draw references. The humerus also had this head, and here it's a 2/3. Then you have the greater trochanter and the lesser trochanter. There you had the greater and the lesser tuberosity. You have the larger medial condyle facing medially. You have the entire shaft, which is convex anteriorly, concave posteriorly. The convex side should face the examiner. The concave part will face you. Here you have the head of the femur, which is the 2/3 facing medially. The greater trochanter facing laterally forwards, lesser trochanter backwards medially. Here you have the medial condyle towards the medial side, which is a larger one. So this is the anatomical position of the femur. There would be the table on the viva, and you have to rest it on the table. So that is the anatomical position of the femur, and this is the femur of your right side. And as we do for every classical long bone, we hold it with our right hand. So now the femur, like a classical long bone, has an upper end, the shaft and the lower end. Now I would say the features. Upper end আমি দেখতে পাচ্ছি there is a head, the neck of the femur, just like the humerus also had a neck. We had 3 neck of the humerus. Keep on recalling humerus, draw parallels, because these are classical long bones. When we read tibia, draw parallels with the radius. When you read fibula, draw parallels with the ulna. Sorry, I said the opposite one. Anyway, this is your greater trochanter. We will have the greater trochanter and the lesser trochanter. What is this one? This thing is an intertrochanteric line, and this one is an intertrochanteric crest. This particular part that you can see, this is your entire shaft of the femur, having the convex side facing anteriorly and the concave side facing posteriorly, that is towards yourself. And you have the larger medial condyle, lateral condyle, the intercondylar fossa, and that is all about the entire feature of the femur. Now let's begin with the upper end insertion.